In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign input and output in Pro Tools. Now to do this, first you want to go to the Setup button up top and you want to go to Playback Engine. Now from in here, you want to select your input and your output devices. So I'm going to click on input first, and as you can see here, it's going to show me the ones I have. So I'm just going to use this one over here, this microphone, and then you have to select the output device as well, where I'm going to click over here, and I'm just going to select something random over here on my list, okay? Now, as you can see, whenever you actually select something different you had before, it's going to basically have to save and close your session. So just click on yes over here and then click on OK, and it's going to basically tell you that you have to, of course, do some things over here. So in my case, it says this may cause unexpected results. I'm going to leave it like it is. I'm going to click OK again, and now it's going to reopen up my session just like this. Now, if you go to the setup and look at the playback engine, you can see, there we go, the changes have been made. Now, from here, what you now have to do is actually go to the setup yet again and then click on I/O. Now here you want to select the input and output. The first thing you want to do is basically delete all of those that are in here. So click on the first one or however many you have, click on delete path, and then go to output and do the same thing. Now in here I'm going to delete this. There we go. You then want to go to input and you want to click on default down here at the bottom. Then you want to go to output, and again when it's empty, click on default, and there we go. So you simply want to click on OK, and you are good to go. You've successfully assigned input and output in Pro Tools. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.